ई अध्यापक आपका स्वागत करता है।
Hello kids, today we are going to learn a new chapter, Give and Take. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. I am Kittu. This is my house. Isn't it huge? It has 100 rooms. Help me in painting some of the rooms. I start from room 2. I add 10 to 2 to reach room 12 and paint it. To add 10 to 2, we can go all the way to the right to 10, then up to 11 and one step right to 12. This is one way to go from 2 to 12. Is there a shortcut? Of course. Follow me. We can jump up one row. A jump from 2 to 12 is like taking 10 steps. Now try one jump up from 14. 14 plus 10 is equals 24. Color this room. How will I go from 22 to 41? Jump from 22 to 41. Then one step left. We can write it like this. 22 plus 20 is equals 42 and 42 minus 1 is equals 41. How many steps did I go in all? In all means we have to add this. So we went 20 steps and then we went one more step. So 20 plus 1 is equals 21. You could also go this way. From 22, take one step left to 21, then 2 jumps up to 41. 22 minus 1 is equals 21. 21 plus 20 is equals 41. Find my food. Try these on Kittu's home. Hey, I have something more interesting for you. Ma told me there are sweets to eat in some rooms. Help me find that room. The answers from the next page will help you find that room. Mark them in my home. A. 10 less than 34 is 24. B. 53 minus 20 is equals 33. C. 11 more than 31 is equals 42. More than means plus. D. 11 less than 66 is equals 55. E. 62 plus 13 is equals 75. F. 23 less than 89 is equals 66. Less than means subtraction or minus. G. 10 and 40 more is 50. 10 and 40 more is that means addition. H. 9 added to 28 gives 37. I. The sum of 9 and 44 is 53. J. Reducing 98 by 34 gives 64. Reducing means subtraction. K. 4 and 37 more is 41. L. Take 35 away from 83, we get 48. Away means subtraction. Here I have marked all the rooms. Example, 47 is equals 37 plus 10. 37 plus 9 is equals 46. 65 minus 30 is equals 35. 46 plus 21 is equals 67. 87 minus 30 is equals 57. 66 minus what gives you 11? It's 55. 45 plus 54 is equals 99. 49 plus 26 is equals 75. 56 minus 21 is equals 35. 36 is equals 27 plus 9. 40 plus 36 is equals 76. 50 plus 48 is equals 98. 57 minus 77 gives you 20. Adding made easy. Anisha bought apples for 37 rupees. Raja bought bananas for 21 rupees. The woman selling fruits said 37 is 30 and 7. 21 is 20 and 1. So 37 and 21 make 58. The first two I can do. How did she add 37 and 21 so fast? We break 26 into 20 plus 6 and 43 into 40 plus 3. Then it's easy. We add 20 plus 40 and 3 plus 6. Let us also try. Look at the sum. 26 plus 43. So they broke it down. They broke 26 into 20 plus 6 and then 43, 40 plus 3. And then they added 20 and 40 together and 6 and 3 together. So it's 60 plus 9. Now it's easy to add, so it's 69. The answer is 69. Can you do it another way? Say how. 33 plus 56 is equals 30 plus 3 plus 50 plus 6. So they broke it down. 33 is equals 30 plus 6 and 56 is equals 50 and 6. Now they added 30 and 50. Now it's 80. And then they added 3 and 6. 3 and 6. So when we add these two, we'll get 9. So 80 plus 9 is equals 89. See if you can do the same with these sums. 37 plus 22 is equals 30 plus 7 plus 20 plus 2. So they added 30 and 20 first. So it will be 50 and then 7 and 2. 7 plus 2. 50 here and 7 plus 2 is equals 9. So 50 plus 9 is equals 59. 73 plus 24 is equals 70 plus 3 and 20 plus 4. So 70 plus 20 is equals 90 and then 3 and 4. 90 and 4 and 3 plus 4 is equals 7. 90 plus 7 is equals 97. So in this they first add tens and then they add ones. 56 plus 21 is equals 50 plus 6 plus 20 plus 1. So we'll add tens first. 50 plus 20 is equals 70 and then 1, 6 and 1. 70 and 6 plus 1 is equals 7. So 70 plus 7 is equals 77. 56 plus 21 is equals 56 plus 20 plus 1 is equals 57 plus 20 is equals 77. Now work out the steps in your mind. Write the answers directly in the boxes. 33 plus 42 is equals 75. 19 plus 61 is equals 80. 90 is equals 48 plus 42. 33 plus 27 is equals 60. 63 plus 34 is equals 97. 64 plus 53 is equals equals 117. 55 plus 25 is equals 80. 67 plus 25 is equals 92. 72 plus 56 is equals 128. Let me tell you a story. Once a baby lion lost his way in the jungle. He started crying and called out for his mother. An old deer took pity on him. He took him to his place, but the other deer got really scared. So did their other friends, rabbits, squirrels, and birds. A lion among us? Oh no, he will eat up our babies. The old deer said, "Don't worry, I will warn him about this." In the morning, the baby lion thanked everyone and started to leave. But a rabbit said, "Wait, he cannot go like this. Let us count to see if he has done any mischief. We should be 240 in all. Let's count." Tillu counted rabbits and deers. There were 27 rabbits and 48 deers. The old deer counted birds and squirrels. There were 124 birds and 38 squirrels. Let's add and find out how many deer and rabbits were there. Number of deers 48. Number of rabbits 27. So as you remember in the Moon Mama story that he was having 10 cards, 1 card and 100 cards. So they did the same here with the deer rabbit. So this is ones and this is tens. 48 plus 27 equals 75. Putting all the ones together, we get 15 ones. Then 10 ones make 110 and we are left with 5 ones. 10 ones and tens. 48 plus 27 is equal 75. Now putting together all the tens, we get 7 tens. So total number of deers and rabbits is 75. Similarly, we add number of birds and number of squirrels. This is ones, tens and hundreds. One number of birds 124, number of squirrels 38. So 124 plus 38 is equals 162. Putting all the ones together first and grouping them. Then putting together the tens and lastly the hundreds, we get 162. So together birds and squirrels were 162 and deer and rabbits were 75. The old deer said we were 240 in number. Now how many are we in all? Can you guess now if the baby lion will go back home? Has the baby lion eaten up any animal? To find out, do the addition in the box below. Number of birds and number of squirrels. So 124 plus 38 is equals 162. Number of deers and rabbits 48 plus 27 is equals 75 and the answer is 237. So that means the baby animal.
हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।